guys can hear me, but this thing sounds crazy straight pipe. I took off the exhaust and it's just 3-inch Apexi N1 down pipe to a 3-inch mid pipe that has the resonators deleted, and this thing sounds insane. I don't know how good you guys can hear me, but that's how it sounds. My neighbors probably hate me right now. Oh well. Holy crap, guys. We're in a tunnel right now. Check this out. This thing is freaking loud. The cams make the whole car shake because I have polyurethane mounts. I just fixed the boost leak on this thing that it had on the throttle body. It had like a loss of power, and now I feel it like pulls. It pulls pretty good now. Damn. I freaking missed this car. Super smooth. Goddamn. Check engine light on when I had the boost leak. I don't know if it was because of that, but now it's gone, so maybe it was that, or maybe my O2 sensor's going bad. We'll see if it comes back on. Oh, freaking pop right now. Holy shit. So I don't know how well you guys heard me on the freeway, but this thing is loud as heck. But yeah, at like stoplights, it does rattle because I have polyurethane mounts for both sides, the transmission and the engine, and then in the front I do have a bull fab tubular like cross member that also has a poly mount, so it does shake when we're stopped. Like the whole car just like is bouncing and shit, but other than that, it's running perfect now. You guys can hear the cams. Sheesh. Sounds like a freaking pig gasping for air. Crazy. guys, I got the check engine light back on, but it's running fine. That's weird, my gauge isn't working. We're back home. Car's running better than it was before because I had a boost leak over here at the throttle body. So now it's idling better. But as you guys saw in the last clip, my boost gauge wasn't working because this popped off up here. So I'm gonna have to put a zip tie on that so that doesn't happen anymore. That was weird. I think it came off because I did a really hard pull, but I wasn't recording and I guess it popped off. But yeah, hope you guys like this video of me driving at night with the straight piped Eclipse GSX. I'll see you guys on the next one.